Hello my dear students, in this section of March by Amazon Design and Sell You T-shirts online course, we will create this exact same t-shirt design that you see on the screen right now. At first we search and find the vector graphics, and then we put different type of circular text and add shapes to create this t-shirt design. So without any further delay, let's start it. To add a new document, I just simply go to File, New, and then I just simply set document width 4500 pixels and set height 5400 pixels and set resolution 300, and color mode I choose CMYK, and this time I choose background color white. And finally, to create a new document, I just simply hit on create. So our document is just created. In our next lecture, we will start designing our t-shirt.